Another day, another story. Disclaimer: nothing in our videos constitutes as financial advice. All information, opinions and suggestions are for education and entertainment only, while the information provided is believed to be accurate. If you want to launch a dropshipping business, you'll need a computer with internet access, $300, $600 for platform fees and marketing, and lots of time for setup and research, along with 5 to 10 hours a week in ongoing management of your new operation. You don't need to invest in warehouses, buy expensive inventory, or spend time filling orders like you would with traditional e-commerce businesses. Dropshipping is therefore a low-cost and low-risk way to get started in online retail, with profit margins of 18% to 27% on average. Most dropshippers say they become profitable in 6 months or less. There are a lot of factors that affect how your store develops, but it's been said that it takes about a year of consistent work to create an operation that can compete and replace your full-time income. The most profitable businesses are built around an idea that serves as the foundation for your brand, content, and product line. It may develop from a passion of yours or may only be based on sales patterns you discover through product study and trial and error. As a dropshipping vendor, you may generate ideas, test out various ideas, and hone your company as you go. You can move forward with only a vague idea of your brand and company. The ability to make modifications at any point is one of the main benefits of the dropshipping business model, as you aren't restricted by expensive inventory. Focusing on niche products will help your marketing efforts be more successful, your website rank well in topic-specific search results, and improve eventual buying intent. Keep this in mind when you research products and dropshipping company ideas. Additionally, consider the problems that your customers will be solved by your business concept and associated offers. By making real connections between your consumer base and your offerings, this strategy can help you gain an advantage in the cutthroat world of competitive online shopping.